Bernie's in distress.
It's a quiet evening. Titipo and Diesel are having a water fight.
Take this!
Take that! No!
Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Hey, you! Take this now!
Oh.
Oh, no!
Janie, you done for today?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh no! All the lights in the train house are out!
Oh, no.
Hold on, Chichi.
This isn't good.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
It's going to take a few days.
That's not good.
Mr. Herb is coming.
Hi, everyone.
How did it go?
It'll take a few days to get it fixed.
Oh, but what do we do till then?
Listen, you'll all need to stay at the auditorium for a few days.
The auditorium?
You should have been more careful.
I'm sorry. Truly.
Me too.
So the little trains all went to the auditorium.
We have to stay here for now?
I know, right?
I don't think I'll be able to sleep.
Everybody be quiet and go to sleep. You'll wake up early if you sleep early.
Oh, phew, it was only you, Diesel.
He sounded just like Mr. Herb.
Oh, hey, you guys.
Aren't you guys going to sleep?
Stop, you guys.
The little trains chatted all night and slept late.
Bernie! Bernie!
Yeah?
It's time for your shift.
Diesel, you scared me.
Had a good day at work today.
Good morning, Mr. Herb.
Hello, Bernie. You're right on time, I see. Aren't you a busy bee?
See you later, Mr. Herb.
Have fun at work.
Bernie got up early because Diesel woke him, but he was happy getting a compliment from Mr. Herb.
Hello, Craney.
Good morning, Bernie.
Hi.
Hey, cha! Here you go. Here you go.
I'll sleep over at my friend's again.
Here you go.
I'm back, Mr. Herb.
Welcome back.
I'm off to get some rest.
Oh, sure.
Hi, guys.
Welcome back. Bernie.
You guys are all here already? Oh. Something smells terrible.
Are you sick, Bernie?
I can smell something awful.
Really? I can't smell anything. Anyway, so what happened, Diesel?
Well, I was crossing a farm and a goat was going just farting everywhere.
The smell is from Diesel. Should I tell him he smells?
Boom, 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 boom.
Diesel?
Huh?
You don't smell very good. You should hurry and go wash.
What? There's no way I'm the one who stinks.
But you do. Don't you agree?
I can't really smell anything.
I don't know.
Let's not mention it. I'm going to sleep now.
Okay, good night, Bernie.
I guess I won't be able to smell it anymore if I'm asleep.
Come and catch me if you can.
Hurry up and get him! Guardian Eggs!
Aren't you guys tired?
Not yet.
Right after this.
You guys need to sleep for work tomorrow.
We'll turn it off soon.
You can do it, Guardian X. Guardian X. Guardian X. Hurry up again,
So noisy.
Guardian X.
Let me get some rest. I can't sleep because of all that noise.
Were we too loud?
Well, you watch a bit after working all day.
She's right. We said we'll turn it off soon.
This isn't what I wanted. I don't want that. I'll just put up with it.
Bernie couldn't bring himself to tell all his friends. It's the next morning. Bernie, not being able to sleep, is finally asleep.
I'm a happy tree. When I'm happy, I sing chuck, chuck, choo, choo, chuck, chuck, choo.
She's singing so early in the morning.
Let's sing louder. I'm a happy train. Oh?
Isn't it too early for a
Good
song?
morning, Bernie. If you sing in the morning, it makes you happy. Taiyo, he's a friendly little boss. And boom, 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 ching, ching, ching. Speeding up and slowing down. Tayo's
Sing,
always
sing.
having
Could you
fun.
be quieter in the morning, please?
What? You don't want to hear me sing?
Oh.
You're so mean, Bernie.
That won't do. I guess I'll just leave and hide.
Chuck, chuck, choo, choo, boom, boom, boom.
See you later, Sing Sing.
Oh, see you later, Bernie. Tayo, tayo. Titipo.
I'm so tired.
Busy day.
Huh?
I'm running late.
He didn't even say he's sorry.
Hello, Bernie.
Huh? Hi, Jenny.
Are you okay? What happened?
Well, a freight train dropped a bag of cement on me just a second ago.
Oh, no. But did he apologize to you?
No.
That won't do.
Jenny?
Hold right there.
Huh? What's wrong?
My friend got covered in dust because of you. Please apologize.
What?
Oh, I'm really okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I was in a hurry, so I didn't know. Were you hurt?
no. I'm okay.
Be careful next time.
Okay. Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks a lot, Jenny.
Oh, it's cool. Oh? Is something bothering you?
Well, you see...
Bernie told Jenny about the troubles he had while staying with his friends.
Really? You couldn't tell them anything?
No.
Then they won't know if you were having a hard time. Why don't you tell them how you feel?
What if they get upset with me afterwards?
I'm sure they won't.
Thanks for letting me know.
The other train did thank me for telling him what happened. Maybe I will try.
Let's go.
Sure. I can't bring myself to let everyone know.
Hi, Bernie.
What are you doing here?
Nothing really. Staying around.
Well, let's go in.
Okay.
Yeah, you better run fast if the road is blocked.
It's Guardian X.
Watch out, Guardian X!
Hey, Yellow Taxi, please stop right there.
I think it's best to just tell them now. Hey, guys! I have something to say.
What's wrong, Bernie?
To tell the truth, I was having a hard time staying here with you guys. I was struggling with Diesel's smell because he didn't wash. I couldn't sleep because everyone watched TV till late. And it was loud in the morning because of the music. I was hoping you guys could be a bit more considerate. What should I do? I knew everyone would just be offended. Please just forget about what I just said.
Bernie!
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry. I really didn't know you were having a hard time.
I'm sorry, too.
We're sorry, too.
I wouldn't have watched TV till late if I knew that you didn't like it. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for being too loud in the morning.
Hey, you guys. Thanks for understanding.
Bernie! Well then, will you forgive us?
Of course I will.
Thank you.
This is cool.
Everyone tried to be more considerate after knowing Bernie's feelings.
Hey, Bernie! Look! I'm washed! I'm all clean! And I smell all nice!
You're sparkling brightly.
Guardian
That was so much fun!
So cool.
Why don't we go to sleep now?
Sure.
Thank you so much, man.
Hi, everyone.
Huh?
It's Tao.
Mr. Herb is here too.
We managed to fix the electricity.
I appreciate your staying here for a few days.
Yahoo! Yay!
The lights are back on.
You'll be able to sleep comfortably now. Go on, rest up.
Okay.
Let's go!
Bernie, you'll be able to sleep peacefully now.
Oh, Mr. Herb. Can we all sleep in the auditorium again?
All of you?
Yeah.
Wait, what if I smell weird again?
You'll go for a wash, right?
Of course I will.
And I'll try to sing much, much softer.
And I'll sleep quietly at night.
Of course, if that's what you all want.
Thank you, Mr. Herb.
Should we go to the auditorium now?
Bernie and the little trains became more close while staying together at the auditorium.